Are your hand grips on your upside down shifter on the left, are they wearing out as much as mine are? Are yours maybe not wearing, but they're just uncomfortable, not much padding, and they just don't feel good, and you want to try to see if you can do better? Yeah, me too. Or maybe you want to give it a try for some ergonomic grips, or just something else different. These are going to be so much more comfortable. All right, so this is my Harley. Those are my Harley grips that I changed out to comfortable grips. And here is my mountain bike and my mountain bike grips that I changed out to comfortable grips. And I figured it out, and I've accepted the fact there's a difference in millennials, Gen Zers, and baby boomers. Baby boomers were working on their bikes when they were 8 years old. When you were 8 years old, you were in your bedroom playing Grand Theft Auto and whacking off to the Victoria's Secret. But yeah, that's all you do. The new grips come with a 3mm wrench because you may not have one. Pull the plug off the end, and then the grip just twists off very lightly. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, these grips are, of course, going to be shorter than the new ones. You got a clamp down here, and the old ones only have a clamp here. The insides are all the same. It's the same design. There's nothing you can do to change it. So all we got to do is measure from here to there, transfer that measurement onto our grip, and cut it in a straight line. This clamp here goes in your storage box for replacement parts should you ever need it. But this here is the exact same thing on the new one that was on the old one. They're all the same design, all same fit. All right, so let's do this. This is how I am marking the new grip on how much to cut. Now, this is me, this is what I had closest to me. I was actually looking for my white tape, but my white tape is in the attic. Now, how you cut it and how I cut it might be different. Just get creative. It's nothing but a rubber grip on the outside of a hard plastic sleeve on the inside. It's easy to cut. Okay. If you notice right here, it's a little beveled out, and that when you have it on, kind of goes right up to the shifter there. Because we cut with a square cut, the new grip, if that's going to bother you, then get you a knife and kind of start whittling and bevel out a little bit of a thing on the inside, sand it down. Get creative. That's not going to bother me. You know why? These grips only cost $5 for the pair, delivered to me by Amazon. For $5, when I change out my handlebars, I'll get new grips again. So these are $5 grips from Amazon, retail with who knows however many middlemen. These grips from China, bought in China and used in China without being shipped, they're probably like about a quarter, maybe 35, 40 cents. For those of you guys that are good with the Dremel tool, you could probably do a Dremel tool on the inside of that. and get that thing really good and make it like a gasket on a valve cover tight there. For me, and for this bike, just like Juice said when they put a shifter on upside down, good enough. And then the plug, and you're done. $5. You know the program. Give me one of them, and I'll see you.